Gonna do a little work on the Galaxie today, so we'll go ahead and get started on that. But first, watch yourselves, because here comes the intro. Well, she sustained some damage during the hurricane, obviously. This fender I'm going to need to replace. It's pretty munched. I mean, somebody with some good skill could probably fix it. This one over here is just dented in the top. I can probably fix that one. The hood, it's got a big twing in the front. And then it's got this one here where something hit it, gouged it pretty deep. So I got a new hood for it, and a new passenger side fender, and a new front bumper. What I'm going to probably do today is just replace the hood, because it takes up a lot of room, and I'd like to be able to get that on there, just so I don't have to worry about it falling over. So we're going to jump on that. Finally going to get some work done on this thing. My daughter starts school on Monday, and she's taking my car, so I'm going to be driving the Galaxie and or the Jeep, depending on the weather. So, first off, the hood isn't bolted very good. Now it's stuck. What are you doing? Get off my hood. Thank you. Alright. Now, the hood was messed up on this, so what I'm going to do off start is by swapping over to my new hood right there. But I have a problem. This bolt right here has been basically loose for, well, ever since I put this motor in, because the bracket, or sorry, the threads inside have broken loose, like the weld snapped off, so it just spins. So I'm actually going to have to cut that one off. The rest of them are ready to go. Just got to cut that one off first. Well, sorry, but my neighbor's mowing right now. Pretty much what I should be doing. So here's the bolt right here. Yeah, it ain't coming out. So I'm going to go ahead and convert to that to get the bolt out. Time to watch your eyes. Oh yeah, always make sure that you protect your glass anytime you're cutting anything that's going to throw sparks, because that will ruin glass, and especially my brand new windshield. That worked. Yeah, there goes my wrench. Down into the abyss. Alright, that's all you gotta do. You want the wrench, basically, see, you're just gonna ratchet this down, so you're gonna hold on to it with one hand, ratchet this, and once it comes loose, you just hold on to it, and I'm going to make sure my side's coming out, and then we're just going to take it and we're going to set it on the ground. That's it. Once it comes loose, I just don't want it to fall back into the windshield. Okay. So, yep. Same thing. No, not really. That's not going to get messed up. Nice. Need a hot rod now. Went to a garage sale over the weekend. Picked up a Mallory ignition coil. And I picked up a new start solenoid. This is a Duralife. Don't really need it. That one is brand new on there. But that is the original old coil that was on it when I got it, and I know for a fact the one terminal is just about stripped out, so I'm going to swap it out for this one. That one isn't actually an MSD, I just put an MSD bracket on there just to hold it, but you know what, it always helps to have a spare. So while the hood's off, I'm going to go ahead and swap out the coil. Come on. There's the original coil. Probably don't need the chrome sleeve on there. Yeah, I think I'll just peel it off. Don't want to falsely advertise. I guess I do need it. Gotta put the sleeve on there. Make sure she fires up. Try not to fall over. Y'all hear my exhaust leak? Gotta fix that. Now don't snug them all the way down because we're going to have to adjust it a little bit once we get it. Like it has to come forward, so just get them together first. Wait till I get my blue fender put on too. There it is. Pulled all the way forward on my side. Doesn't like all that banging around. About as multicolored as this car is. Alright, that's good. Well, overall this is better paint than what's on the rest of the car. I think I'll throw a little wax on her and see what happens. Well, she ain't perfect, but I'd say she's fairly decent. Next, do the passenger side fender. That'll pretty much be it, besides obviously fixing this driver's side fender. That's it for this video. A few little touch-ups here and there. Thanks for watching. Now you're in my car? Come on, man. Alright, looks like you got shotgun. You ready to roll? Ride or die. One of the other cool accessories I picked up this weekend was this little Bakelite compass. Little dash mount. It's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and mount it in here someplace, probably right here underneath the air control. I believe it's probably supposed to go on the windshield, but I don't really want to stick it to my windshield, so under the dash it is. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like it. It looks period correct. Can't complain. Nice.